Hello, this is Agent at day 14, and what I have for you today is our PI Cro Scope, a visual inspection agent. And the main point of this agent is a zoom into image tool that you saw being tested yesterday. And pretty much what's inside here is the agent can upload an image, and then we have a region of interest, and then we have an LLM vision step that looks into it, looks at the region of interest, and returns the coordinates of where it should zoom into on the image. Then we have a Python step that goes in and crops the image according to the coordinates and returns it. And if we see it running, pretty much what it does is, for example, over here, we can tell it to zoom into the middle of the picture, and it uses the zoom into image tool to zoom into the middle of the picture as expected. It's not perfect at the moment, so we have a zoom into oranges in the bottom right corner, and it does try to find the oranges, but it doesn't find all the oranges. There's a lot of white space over here. And here we try it again with zoom into the apples in the bottom left with our fruit bowl, and we get some apples. So this is a really useful tool if you are doing anything with high resolution images, because the agent won't necessarily be able to capture all of it with a LLM vision step. But if you get this Python script to zoom into certain parts, then the LLM won't be distracted by other things in the image and can just focus on the apples in the bottom left, for example. So yeah, that is this tool. That is today. Go ahead, have fun, take it. See you. Bye.